We are pleased to show you the 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.